I'm Mohammed Anas. I'm the founder and the CEO of Elite SPM Private Limited. Elite SPM is a drone-based company. We make different solutions for drone technology. Our company also provides workshop and training programs for both pilot as well as engineering of drones. We have been designing and developing solutions for drones using ML and AI. More than 140,000 deaths caused by fire accidents. Due to the inconvenience faced by the fire brigades to reach the target location, we are designing and developing micro machine vision drone swarm which are based on artificial intelligence. Our market size or a target audience are fire stations, industry and high-rise. We have a team of 20, among them 5 are core members. We are accomplished to save life with the help of drones that uses AI. We are looking to raise $30,000 on a project micro machine vision drone swarm. Our vision is to provide high-end industrial drone solution based on AI. We at Elite SPM building trust and quality. See you in Dubai.